So Apple didn't release a new Ultra watch last year. No Ultra 3, no surprise event. Just a new band color for a company that's all about annual upgrades. It felt like waiting all year for fireworks and getting a sparkler, but now, mid-2025, everything makes sense. That silence, it wasn't hesitation, it was strategy. Because the Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just an upgrade, it might be the most powerful, smartest, and most rugged smartwatch ever built. And yes, it might finally justify its Ultra name. Let's unpack everything we know, the leaks, the breakthroughs, the bold new tech, because what's coming could genuinely redefine the smartwatch game. Let's kick things off with something you'll notice immediately, the design. The Ultra 3 is expected to retain that bold, square titanium casing and flat display. But insiders say Apple is on a serious diet mission this year. Reports suggest the Ultra 3 is getting noticeably thinner. Now, we're not talking Apple Pencil level thin. This isn't a runway model, but trimming a millimeter or to off the wrist can be a huge comfort upgrade, especially when you're trying to wear it while sleeping, working out, or squeezing it under a tight sleeve without feeling like you're fighting a robot. This shift aligns with Apple's current obsession, miniaturization without compromise. We've already seen it in the iPad Pro and the upcoming iPhone 17 with the rumored new S11 chip. Apple's shrinking components while increasing power, less bulk, more brains, classic Apple. Color-wise, don't expect a rainbow, we're likely sticking with brushed titanium silver and a new space black finish. Tactical, sleek, professional. This isn't your colorful Series 10, it's made for explorers, not influencers. Now let's talk display, because here's where things get spicy. The Ultra 3 is rumored to feature LTPO3 display tech, and if that sounds like alphabet soup, here's what it means. It's smarter with power, sharper in quality, and smoother to use. You'll get buttery animations when scrolling and extreme power savings when idle, thanks to a dynamic refresh rate that can scale from 120 Hz down to just 1 Hz. And yes, thinner bezels are finally on the menu. About time, right? In 2025, if your display doesn't go edge to edge, it might as well be a Game Boy. Slimmer bezels mean more usable screen without making the watch bigger, win-win for both usability and aesthetics. Let's move into what might be the real star of the Ultra 3, artificial intelligence. Apple is launching something called Apple Intelligence. Catchy, huh? And the Ultra 3 will be the first watch to embrace it fully. Imagine having a personal fitness coach that actually understands you, your sleep quality, stress levels, workout history, and then suggests whether to crush a HIIT session or chill with some yoga. You had a terrible night's sleep. Your watch might say, maybe don't go full beast mode today. It's like your smart gym buddy who actually cares and won't guilt you into burpees after 4 hours of tossing and turning. What makes this possible is the all-new S11 chip, which finally gives the watch real AI horsepower. Siri will be faster, more responsive, and a lot less Siri-ish. No more let me check on that and bouncing everything to your iPhone. The Ultra 3 is becoming independent. Apple's been serious about health for years, but the Ultra 3 might mark a major leap. While we're still waiting for that non-invasive blood glucose monitor, Apple's reportedly cracked wrist-based blood pressure trend monitoring. It won't replace your doctor or your home cuff, but it will detect patterns consistent with hypertension and give you a heads up before things get risky. Combine that with existing features like ECG, SpO2, and heart rate variability, and you've basically got a 24/7 health guardian on your wrist. Not bad for something that also tells you the weather, body, satellite SOS, and 5G RedCap. Ready for the wild now? Let's talk survival. Literally, Apple is expected to bring satellite SOS to the Ultra 3. If you're hiking off-grid or stuck somewhere remote with no cell signal, the watch can still send a distress message. That's not just a cool feature, that's a life-saving one. Also, 5G RedCap is reportedly on board. It's 5G, but made for wearables, better speed, lower latency, and crucially, it won't kill your battery in half a day. It's the kind of connectivity that makes your watch feel less like an accessory and more like a standalone tool. The Ultra series already has one of the best battery lives in the smartwatch world, up to 72 hours on low power. But Apple knows that's not enough for folks who wear their watch constantly. So, we're hearing rumors of fast charging, possibly going from 0 to 80% in just under 35 minutes. Perfect for those I forgot to charge it before bed moments. And yes, all this new tech, from thinner builds to smarter brains, is reportedly coming without sacrificing that battery life. A small miracle, honestly. So, is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 the big leap we've been waiting for? If the leaks are even half true, then absolutely. From on-device AI that understands your health and workouts, to a thinner, sleeker design, better display tech, life-saving connectivity, and next-level sensors, the Ultra 3 isn't just another annual refresh. It's a statement. Apple's making it clear it's not about churning out updates anymore. It's about meaningful evolution. The Ultra 3 isn't here to follow trends, it's here to set them. What do you think? Are you ready for an AI-powered personal coach on your wrist? Does the slimmer design and smarter tech convince you to upgrade? Or are you holding out for even more, like that elusive glucose tracker? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more future-forward tech breakdowns, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got more exciting content on the way as we approach Apple's Fall 2025 event. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay informed.